bagal ko dun. Alright guys, pauwi na kami. And I'll be bringing home the CB650. I did a test drive and I took a video and suddenly my camera just went off, so I'm not sure what happened. But so far I don't really like it. It feels weird. Maybe because of the handlebar. It's kind of short or narrow. And my back hurts, like the shoulder part, like this part, it hurts. So but since ako nag-rent nito, I'll be bringing this home. And let's see, let's enjoy the ride. Naka-record? Yes, naka-record. Sorry guys, first time namin, first time. Tara, kaya na. So it's raining. Di talaga natin to ma-practice, but walang upshift. Walang upshift. Walang quick shifter, so yun. So with this CB650, not really a big fan. I'm not sure why. Should I give it more time? We'll see right now. That's what we're gonna do, if I like it or not. But when I rode the ZX4RR going here, ang sarap i-drive. Like first upo pa lang, parang saya na, happy na. Happy na kaagad. So maybe it's the body position, I don't know. Should I go near sa Manobela? Let's try it. Kasi kanina ako sitting far back, so medyo malayo yung puwet ko. But if I go forward, probably ganito, no? Street Fighter na malapit, ganyan. I don't know. You guys tell me, how should I ride the CB? Should I put my balls near sa tank or further? Ko feel ko nearer. Parang ganito, Street Fighter, ganyan. Parang ganyan, no? Flare out ng elbow. So far, baka ganito ang body position na kailangan. Flare out yung shoulder, yung elbow. I don't wanna overtake kasi fast corner to, based on how it is. I think ang body position ko lang kanina, I didn't really like. Iba, dapat press forward ka, hindi naka-relax na ganyan, extended arms. Dapat ganyan, no? Aggressive fighting position, attack position rather. Ito, pangit na dito. Chill pa lang, oh. So akong pacer ngayon. Kasi baguhan sila. Oh. So with it first. Maybe I'm not used to it lang, but I'm starting to like it na. Parang dapat aggressive position ka. I still prefer Z1, I guess. Bagal ko doon. Feel ko mas mabilis pa yung iba eh. Ito na yung mga nice roads I think sa Marilake. So let's try to enjoy. Iwan muna natin sila. Parang pangit na daan doon, di ba? Chill lang. Manok. Pero so far parang enjoy ko ngayon kasi baka nakakape na. Kanina parang ayoko eh. Adjusting my recording. Yes, I'm recording. Okay, medyo na okay na ako. We'll see. Let's see anong gear tayo dito. Parang third gear is okay. Halos din na ako na brake. Let's try third gear. Okay naman third gear. Kaya to mas okay ang third gear. Downhill third gear. This is downhill guys, ganda dito. May PNP checkpoint to. Gaano ka totoo. So baguhan ka dito, mapapaslow down ka talaga. Pero alam mo na ano, alam mo na wala, alam mo na wala, ox lang, pabilis ka. But doon ang checkpoint nila. Okay, third gear pala ito. Third gear. Okay, third gear. Hello mga people of Manila. Hello people of Manila. Hindi tayo sure eh, di ba? Oh, mangga na yun if nagano tayo, overtake. Be smart about, be smart is it's double line, it's double solid line for a reason, but this one I'm clear. Pero masaya naman pala pa rin yung comfortability of ano talaga. Galing talaga ako sa sports bike, medyo bias lang talaga, I'm medyo bias sa sports bike, but so far masaya naman dalhin. And what I don't like lang, di ko pagaba yung ano, pag di ko ba yung ano, pag change ng transfer ng weight sa ano, left to right, parang confused ako if nasa likod yung weight ng puwet or nasa front. Dito yung maganda na roads nila. Puntahan na yung photographer doon. Let's go back para may photo tayo sa CB. Record ba tayo? Recording. Medyo gets ko na yung ano, body position niya. Bossing! Anong page yung bossing? Picturean ko na lang. Taga ka Cebu kasi kami eh.
Saan po?
Cebu.
Cebu, layo.
Oh.
Picture mo na lang po.
Yes! Umalis. Talo ka na lang. Chat na lang ka.
5 o kaya 6.
Sige pa, sige pa. Thank you pa, thank you pa.
Ingat pa, sir.
Wala kang sticker?
Wala ko yun. Sige po, ingat po.
So yun, get another photographer. Please may anong picture sa CB. Bossing, anong page yung bossing? Pwede pa picture lang sa page niyo? Picture kayong page yun. Taga Cebu kasi kami eh, so yes sir, thank you sir. Habulin natin sila. Yeah. Yun, rev match. So enjoy na lang, enjoy the ride guys. No more not much talking kasi na-enjoy naman talaga yung ano, naked. Nabigla lang siguro kanina from sports to naked, and then iba to eh. Hindi siya ganun ka wide yung ano, handlebars compared sa Z1 as far as I remember. No, that was like 4 or 5 years ago. So yeah. Wag kita kasi baka may mabilis din eh. Tagal niya. Anyway, enjoy na lang the ride guys. I might say something but I think more on ride na lang tayo kasi better ano na lang talaga after all this. But so far na-enjoy naman talaga, but I think the adjustability, na bias lang talaga ako with ZX4R, no? Nabias lang ako kasi sports bike talaga yung ginagamit ko with the past, or I've been using a sports bike ever since. My first bike was a Duke 200, and then 3 months lang, or 3 months along the way, I sold it and bought an R3. Used the R3 for 2 years. I did some test drives, and so far sports bike talaga yung nagustuhan ko. What I really like are sports bikes. That's why medyo, I would say medyo bias ako sa ano, ZX4R. Ay, wala siya eh. Tangina. Video muna tayo, but yeah, medyo na bias lang talaga siguro ako sa ano, sports bike kasi yun ang ginagamit ko lagi. So ganda oh. Video muna tayo. Yes sir, with the CB650. Na bias lang talaga ako. Yun, to end this ano vlog, yun lang, ano siya? So to end this vlog, ano lang, just watch the ride na lang. Enjoy naman talaga sa CB650, but ZX4R is comfortable lang dahil nakaano ako,